Thanks for tuning in, guys. We got an awesome new vehicle here for you at Carz R Us in Machesney Park. We've got a 2012 Acura MDX. Now, this is all-wheel drive, third row seating. This is a fully loaded car. You're gonna love this thing. 3.6 liter, nice color, like a, I don't know, like a charcoal color, I guess I would call that. Dark gray. Upgraded interior. You've got your nice trim package there with the wood grain. You've got a DVD player, automatic steering wheel, AC's cranking. You got your GPS navigation system there with a, I would say, a 6-inch screen there, so great size screen. Let's take a look at the back. You can see the interior is in awesome shape too. This leather is pristine and super comfortable leather too. This is a really plush, really upgraded, nice vehicle. You're gonna love the ride in this thing. And then we got the third row seating back here, so you can wave to me back here. So we got our third row seating, so if you got, this seats 8 people, so if you got extra kids, gear to store, this is the type of vehicle you're gonna want. Back here, we've got extra space in our trunk here. These seats lay down, so a ton of space. Great ride, 83,000 miles over here at Carz R Us. Come on over, make an offer. This thing is gonna sell. It's not gonna be here for very long. Check us out, Carz R Us in Machesney Park.
877-4277